So I want to thank the veterans in my district.
First of all, I want to thank everybody for being here. Thank you for your service, for your sacrifice, for your bravery.
Happy Veterans Day, and thank you all for your service. I know it's not till tomorrow, but it really is Veterans Week, and we should really be celebrating the sacrifice that all of you and your family members make every single day. So I just want to tell you on behalf of the city of Anaheim, we are so grateful.
I'd be remiss, Congressman, if I didn't say happy birthday to our Marines.
Serving those who serve their country.
Hey guys, Jay here. We're at the VFW celebrating Veterans Day and the Marines' birthday. Hoorah! Small Business Diversity Network. Just want to thank all the veterans out there. Thank you for your service. We hope you like this program. Come join us. Yes sir, 2024. Let's go!